Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making banana loaf and muffins. We prefer banana loaf, but I think my parents like muffins because it's easier to just eat, I guess. Alright, so here I already have my 4 cups of flour, my 2 cups of brown sugar. I prefer brown sugar, and I am going to measure out my bicarbonate of soda and my baking soda. One, I'm going to use a teaspoon. It is 5 mils to measure up my baking powder. 1 scoop. Make sure it's leveled out. You don't want to add too much. It's gonna give you the taste. And then I'm gonna add my bicarbonate soda. 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna use 1 1/2. Usually I use half of the measures I have here because I'm not making a big batch, but we want a lot of it, so I've doubled up everything. Okay, here is my cinnamon. We had cinnamon sticks. I blended it in our blender, and I'm gonna use, it says 1. I usually double up on the cinnamon because I like it, so I'm gonna make it 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. Here we go. 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt for taste. Oops. There's our salt.